Hello. Astronomy picture of the day, December 7, 2024. Today's video is about rocket engine Fireplace. You might not think a close-up view of rocket engines producing 8.8 million pounds of thrust would be relaxing, but here it can be. In fact, you can get a warm and cozy feeling just spending a few moments watching NASA's holiday rocket engine Fireplace. The video features a loop of the Space Launch System rocket's RS-25 main engines throttled up and running, flanked by solid rocket boosters and framed by a stone fireplace. The accompanying audio track mixes the drastically muted sounds of the rocket engines firing with the more familiar sounds of a burning, crackling wood fire. AI elements are included in the composed video along with an image and logo from the Artemis I mission. The Artemis I uncrewed mission to the Moon and back again launched in November 2022 on a Space Launch System rocket. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.